Hello and welcome to Cybersecurity Essentials Video 3. Impersonation. One of the greatest dangers that the internet creates is the ease with which mischievous parties can impersonate others. Creating a website that mimics the website of a bank, store, or government agency is quite simple and can sometimes be done within minutes. Criminals can find a near endless supply of domain names that are close enough to those of legitimate parties to trick people into believing that a site that they see is the real deal when it's not. Phishing. Phishing refers to an attempt to convince a person to take some action by impersonating a trustworthy party that reasonably may legitimately ask the user to take such action. For example, a criminal may send an email that appears to have been sent by a major bank and that asks the recipient to click on a link in order to reset his or her password due to a possible data breach. When the user clicks the link, he or she is directed to a website that appears to belong to a bank but is actually a replica run by the criminal. As such, the criminal uses the fraudulent website to collect usernames and passwords to the banking site. Smishing. Refers to cases of phishing in which the attackers deliver their messages via text messages, SMS, rather than email. The goal may be to capture usernames and passwords or to trick the user into installing malware. Phishing. Phishing or voice-based phishing is phishing via POTS. That stands for plain old telephone service. Yes, criminals use old-timey testing methods for scamming people. What is whaling? Whaling refers to spear phishing that targets high profile businesses, executives, or government officials. In summary, types of attacks that inflict damage include phishing, spear phishing, smishing, vishing, and whaling are examples of how people can impersonate others. One of the greatest dangers that the internet creates is the amount of people that impersonate others. And that's it for today's video. See ya.